Hello, welcome to GlideTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to change location on Roblox. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Roblox app. The next is to click on the Me option found at the bottom of your screen. Scroll gently, click on Help and Safety, click on Help. So right here, all you have to do is to type in account location. Scroll in, click on contact support here. So on this new screen, all you have to do is to type in your username, which is optional. Type in your first name, your email address that you used for registering this account, and also confirm that same email address here. What device are you having the problem on? I'll just type in Android, depending on your device. Type category of help, scroll gently and type in technical support. So help subcategory type in specific experience issue. So right here you just type in I relocated to X, I was in Y, please change my location to X. So having done this, you just click on continue, and Roblox will give you a reply within 24 hours. So guys, that is it on how to change location or region on Roblox. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.